Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to remove or replace the water filter in a Samsung fridge. Yeah, this can be a little bit of a problem because with Samsung fridges, these parts are a little bit tight or can be a little bit tight. So they are perfectly made for the original Samsung water filters, especially if you're using like third-party manufacturer, that could be a problem. There's no fancy things about that, and there's actually no problem about the whole thing. Just there are a little bit of variations here, and so it can get really stuck. The good thing is these filters are usually, I mean, in 99% of the cases, are built really strong, so you don't have to worry to break anything from the filter here or from the fridge, based on my experience. So usually with the original ones, it's pretty easy. When you replace, you just turn to the right side, and I mean, you have to push a little bit and then turn it to the right side, and then you can lock it and secure it. But to remove can be a little bit difficult, especially with the third party, like something like that, water specialist or so. And especially if you haven't inserted the filter on your own and you just get to a Samsung fridge and you have to remove or replace, and you have no idea how it looks inside, how dangerous it is. So it can be quite a challenge to remove. Of course, like always, stop the ice maker at the beginning. You just usually press 3 seconds on the ice. There's usually a writing on that. Press 3 seconds and then it's turned off, so it prevents that water, too much water will flow. Then keep like a towel ready, because when you remove it there will be some water leaking, and then you are actually ready with these two things. So it looks like usually it's like this, and then you have to turn it counterclockwise, and then it will automatically be removed. But sometimes it's so stuck that even the strongest man or woman or whatsoever, when you try to turn it counterclockwise, it's not possible. It's just not possible. So what can you do? What always helped me is just some really heavy pliers, something like that. The wider the bracket is, the better, so you won't break anything. But usually it should be a problem because these things are built really massive, and it's surprising when you do something like this. It doesn't need a lot. You secure it here, and then you have much more power, and then you turn it to the left side, I mean counterclockwise, and it will be amazing to see how fast this unlocks. So yeah, I mean, for me it worked all the time. And yeah, if you're worried too much, I mean, there are specific pliers for that, even wider ones. But for me, usually this thing worked pretty well, and it was surprising, a big surprise to see that it didn't need extremely power. When you just grab it here, there's just not enough power, not even for the strongest person. And when you use the plier, it will work easily, I can tell you. I mean, at least in 99% of the cases. There's no warranty on that, of course. There could be always some really one-time extreme cases, but there's nothing really weird. And by the way, you don't have to pull or not push, no, nothing. Yeah, just straight to the left side, and it will come out automatically. There's no pushing, no pulling needed, no nothing, just twisting. Yeah, that's it for now. Actually, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.